What's going on, everybody? My name is Dylan. You guys are chilling with Dylan, and today I got a brand new video for you guys. One of the more restocked sneakers in recent time that's still hard to get your hands on. Some people are calling these the new pandas, but I got them right here. Alrighty guys, so without further ado, let us get into this video. If you are new around here, please make sure you guys are hitting that subscribe button, as it does really help out the channel, and we are cruising to that 1,000 subscriber mark. Thank you guys so much for the support. Over the past 2 years that I've been really pushing some content over on the channel. I really do appreciate it. Like I said, hit the like button as well, and please turn the post notification bells on so you don't miss another one of these slappers when I release them. Alright guys, so the video of today, okay, the unboxing that we have is going to be this guy right here. Obviously, that is a Nike SB box. What could it be? You're going to find out. I recently did a video on the alternative to this. So if you want to check out that video, make sure you guys are going over to the channel, checking out the black pair. However, this is the white pair. So, size tag reads Nike SB Dunk Low Pro, white, black, and white. And I got a size 12 because recently SB's been fitting me a little bit small. I don't really know why, I gotta be honest with you. I usually go 11.5 with all dunks. Jordan 1 lows, Jordan 1s, dunk highs, all that stuff, and they fit great. However, recently the last couple pairs, like the black one I just mentioned, ran a little bit small, so I got a size 12 in this, and they fit great. So, I got these over from Orchard Skate Shop, so thank you guys for sending these over. Obviously, I paid for them. I had a cop when they re-released. But they did re-release over on the website, and I was able to snag my size. So thanks to them for obviously restocking, because without that, I've been striking out on these shoes for like the past year. So now opening up the box, you are going to get the shoes right here. You are also going to get the sticker, a Nike sticker in the box as well, and you get the shoes right here. So these are the white gum Nike SB Dunk Low Pros. Obviously, I already did a review over on the black gums, but these are just the alternative. And to be honest, I'm a sucker for all white sneakers and white sneakers in general, and I think these things are super, super clean. Obviously, a very simple shoe, so this will be a very quick review. However, obviously, it's a Nike SB, so you got the fat tongue. These are the model where basically Nike decided to drop these things and restock these a whole bunch because they want more people to get their hands on more SBs for retail, because we all know how Nike SBs are nowadays, especially with the collabs. Very hard to get, and you really gotta, like, you know, put in the footwork, enter in raffles and all that stuff, and most likely you're still gonna strike out. They are more limited than any of the releases really Nike has been making lately, so it is cool that these ones in particular, as well as the black pair, have been restocking like crazy. Now you will note on this pair of shoes, okay, first off, really clean colorway, but also very premium materials. Like the leather on these guys, let's do a little press test, guys. Very, very soft leather all the way around. I mean, even on the little mud guard right here, going all the way up the eyelets, the medial of the foot too, as you can see. Got a little bit of tumbleness, really soft leather. I mean, you can just tell all the way around. Very soft leather. They're going to be super comfortable, especially with the Nike Zoom on the insole too. These do have your traditional puffy, fat Nike SB tongue. That mesh tongue really feels good when you're wearing them. Gives you a nice lockdown feel. All white shoe, so you're going to get the black hits. The Nike SB on the tongue hit right there. Obviously, the black Nike swoosh all the way around. Then when you hit the heel, you're going to get the Nike embroidered in black right there as well. And then when you go to the heel, you're going to get that amazing gum bottom, which I personally am a sucker for a gum bottom. I think it just looks fantastic. It's a really, like, just sets off the side of the shoe when you're wearing it. You get the nice little hit of gum right there, looking real clean. And then when it comes to the insole, you're going to get your Nike Zoom insole. It's just going to say Nike SB right there. And then you're also going to note that on the laces, you're going to get the white oval laces. You don't get an extra set of laces with these, but on the eyelets itself, it says Nike SB on there. So I think that is a cool little touch with the little black, with the black tips to the lacelets right there. So I think that's a pretty cool little touch. Nice little detail. And like I said, overall, really simple, really dope pickup in my opinion. super premium, like I said, as well. Like, great material use on these guys. And overall, my pair is pretty clean as well. Not a lot of flaws. I mean, I do have some glue stains here and there, but that's going to be, you know, what it's going to be on a mass-produced shoe like these. Because like I said, they're restocking all over skate shops. So if you want them, good luck, because they are very hard to get. They sell out almost instantly because I don't really know why, to be honest. I mean, it's a Nike SB, that's probably why, but it's very clean. The black pair I was able to get a little bit easier because of Blue Tile Skate Shop. So they did a first come first serve raffle, so I actually hit on that. So these are a little bit different. Just had to bide my time online. Hope that a skate shop re-released them, and I just got lucky. But yeah, really clean shoe. Let me know down below what you guys think. Do you like the white gums better than the black gums? And do you like that Nike is re-releasing a lot of these, you know, traditional color SBs to make them a little bit more widely available? And if you did enjoy this video, guys, please make sure you guys are smashing that like button, as it really does help the channel grow in the algorithm. Leave your comments down below if you like these guys, if you were able to cop, if you like the black pair better, and if you like Nike SBs in general, because your boy really loves them and collecting a lot more recently, and I'm hoping to get a lot more in 2024. And that's going to do it for me, guys. So my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill. Me and the Nike SB Dunk Low Pro White Gums. We're out. Peace.